In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put bullet points side by side in Google Docs. This will transform your documents from a simple vertical list into a more visually engaging format with columns, perfect for presentations, reports, or any document requiring a structured layout. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. In the search bar, type in Google Docs and hit Enter. This should bring up a list of results at the top. You'll see the link to Google Docs. Go ahead and click on it to get started. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, log in. Use your Google credentials if prompted to do so. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one. But for most of you, simply entering your email and password should allow you access to your documents. Upon logging in, you'll see a list of recent documents. From here, select the document you want to edit. If you're starting a new document, click on the blank icon to create a fresh document. Once your document is open, find the spot where you want to add your bullet points. Start typing your bullet points as you normally would, creating a vertical list. Each bullet point should be on its own line. Google Docs handles bullet points simply. Just press the bullet icon in the toolbar or use the Ctrl+Shift+8 shortcut if you're on a Windows machine or CMD+Shift+8 if you're on a Mac. Next, highlight the entire list of bullet points that you want to format into columns. Make sure to drag your mouse or touchpad cursor over all the lines that include your bullet points. This step is crucial because the next steps will only apply to the highlighted text. With your bullet points highlighted, move your eyes to the top menu of your Google Docs interface. Look for the Format option. It's located between View and Tools. Click on Format, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, locate and hover over the Columns option. This will reveal more choices. Now, choose the two-column layout from the icons that appear. If you want more customization, select More Options. Here, you can adjust the spacing between your columns or even add a dividing line for clarity. This will not only enhance the visual appeal, but also improve readability. And there you have it. A successfully formatted Google Doc with bullet points neatly placed side by side. This simple method creates a professional look, maximizing space while keeping your text organized and easy to read. Play around with the spacing and dividing line through More Options to get the perfect layout for your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you elevate your document game.